Traders in the building, what is good? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. You already know what time it is, man. It's the time of the week where I do the weekly analysis, and today I'll be analyzing the dollar index, gold, US30 and US100. But before that, I just want to apologize. I've been away for like a month or so. I was not feeling well. I just had to take care of myself. And but now I think I am back. I'm not sure, but I think I am back. It's just gonna depend on how I feel as time goes, but I really hope to be back full time, right? So as you can see on the dollar index, I'm bullish on this particular instrument, and to explain why, simply because we are in a bullish trend. I say this because we keep making higher highs, of course. You see there in there, and we keep making higher lows. Another significant reason to note is at the moment the market is currently above a level of sensitivity. As you can see, this was a previous resistance. Market broke above, came back, couldn't break below, and at the moment, as you can see, the market is going up. So how can you take advantage of this move? Go to the upside for the week that is coming. It's very much easy. Move to a smaller time frame, as we always do, and again over there you look for structure. So at the moment, I did identify two areas of interest that I'm looking to buy at. I'm looking to buy should the market come back to this support over here, or should the market go up above that structure and break that resistance, then turn it into a support, and that is where I'm interested to buy. And another reason why I am currently bullish on this market is because if you can go to the weekly time frame, you will notice that there was a trend rather that was forming. I did notice this when I was analyzing that there was something like this in the market. So at the moment, it does seem like the market is broken above that structure. So of course, this is where the market rejected again. So now it seems that we are breaking out of that structure. So of course, it would make sense for us to continue looking for buys at this point as the market is looking bullish. That's all I have for the week that is coming on this particular instrument. Moving on to gold. So as you can see, the reason why I'm bullish on this market is because we recently just broken above a level of sensitivity over here. This is a resistance that the market had been failing to break above for a very long time. And now as you see with that candlestick, that's just one monthly candlestick. And as you can see, I feel like it's bigger than the rest of all these candlesticks. There's no candlestick that is as big as this one at the moment, because as you can see, the market just broke out and it just kept on shooting upwards. So this is why I am bullish on this particular market, is because the market has broken above this level of resistance over here, and also broken above the trend line, and at the moment again the market is continuing to the upside. So it makes more sense for us to look for buys as the market is going up. So how can you take advantage of this move? Go to a smaller time frame and we look for structure. We go to the daily time frame. So I've already marked areas of interest. Let me do like this. So as you can see, these are my areas of interest. So last week I couldn't make a video. However, I did post some pictures on the channel, my analysis on the channel. For those who saw, they saw. So this was an area that the market had created, of course, with that wick, and that was an area that we could have looked at as a resistance. The market broke above, came back, retest, bought from there, right? So now the one area that I'm looking at the moment is this current resistance over here, and buy from there. So as for us to take these buys, the market needs to come back to this support, of course. Like I said, this is where we'll take our buys, because at this point it doesn't make sense for us to try and enter the market that is already moved. This move has already happened. So if you're gonna try and buy at this area, that would be you buying high. So it's important you wait for the market to come back to a support, and hence we will buy low. Moving on to US30, I am bullish on this particular instrument. I don't think I need to go on a higher time frame. I think this time frame is just perfect. Looking at this market, you will notice that the structure has been going upwards. Of course, you can see that the market has been kept making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, and now I do expect the market to come back and create a higher low, which already it has created. However, I would love for the market to come back to this structure for me to enter for buys. This is where I'm interested to buy from, and should them or the market, if it could break that structure over there, break that resistance, turn it into a support, and that's another area where we would be interested to buy. Now, for those maybe who are confused why I'm looking for buys on this market, let's rather go to the monthly time frame. Maybe it will explain everything over there. So this market has broken above a very significant area in the past few months. Of course, you can see that we did have a resistance over here. This was a resistance that the market is clearly broken above. So the market, since it has broken above the structure, it didn't come back for a retest. It just kept on going up, right? As you can see, since from November last year, we haven't had a bearish candlestick. The market has just been going up, up. So the momentum at the moment is bullish. The market is currently in the hands of the bulls, so it makes sense for us to continue buying than to look for sells. So this is why I'm bullish on this particular market. However, I do expect that this bullish run will end at some point, and we might find ourselves getting that correction, which then will come back as a retest, and then this is where again we could buy from. But at the moment, let's just continue buying, guys, until the market proves us otherwise. Let's just keep on buying, because if you're gonna try and sell this market, you will just be caught up in a very unnecessary trade, taking unnecessary losses. So that's all I have on this particular instrument. With the one that I'm closing with, US100, and I'm bullish on this instrument too. I don't think again I need to go to its higher time frame. It's similar to US30. As you can see, the market has been creating structure, breaking that structure, support, go up. Of course, you can see that. So now at the moment, I have a few areas of interest rather that I have marked. As you can see, we do have a trend that the market has created, rather a channel that the market has created. Anytime it reaches the channel, it reacts somehow. So of course, now for me to take these buys, I'm interested if the market could come back to this support over here, this support and this trend line. Of course, it would be very nice. First touch, second touch, and a third touch. This means would be a fourth touch, and I would be interested to buy on that area. Or if the market could end up breaking above this current resistance that the market is failing from, if it can play that structure, then it would make sense for us to buy above that structure by this market. That's all I have for the week that is coming. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment something nice, and share with your friends if you can. I will try again next week to be available on the channel. I don't know, man, I'm just going through a phase of my own. A lot of things have been happening. However, I feel like I shouldn't let that discourage me, of course, hence I made this video. However, I will not lie and say I'm perfectly fine. I still need to work on myself, but don't worry about that, guys. I'll see you soon. I love you guys. Thank you for watching up to this far, and I am out. Peace.